Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So it's Saturday, I'm at work, I'm wearing orange. Where are we going? We're going to Reading. In fact, I'm actually not that far from Reading now. I've just come off the M4. I'm now on the whatever I'm on, heading for Reading East. We're dropping off a container that one of our drivers should have delivered yesterday but forgot to take with him. He had two boxes, one from our yard, one from another yard, to collect from another yard to bring up to here. He forgot to collect the one from our yard and just took one. It's fine, it's created a day's work for me. I'm happy with that. Saturday's the greedy shift. Got no trailer, we're rigid only. Let's go and get this one lifted. I'll see you there.
Bear left.
Right, we're literally a minute away now. I've actually done this, we do the same delivery every single year. Iceland stores they are. We deliver fridge containers, freezers, whatever they use them for, and a storage, dry stores. It's for all their Christmas stock. Obviously their warehouses or the back rooms, they're not big enough to handle the normal stock plus the extra for
After
Christmas.
400 yards, you have reached your destination.
Trading estate. Now, as I say, I've been here last year, but it was a year ago, and I know I'm in the right place, thereabouts, but I can't for the life of me. No, it's alright, I turn right here, go straight over. Yeah, we do all the Marks and Spencer, well, not say all, we do a lot of the Marks and Spencers around, in and around the M25 Reading sort of area, and Iceland stores. Right, should go in, get set up, or find out where the container's going, and then yeah, I'll show you the lift. I'll try and talk you through some of it as well whilst I'm doing it, what I do, why I do it. It's just a standard 20-foot storage container. There's nothing special to it really. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, let me down, let me down slowly. Down, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling down, and I can't stop myself from falling down. Tonight is cold in the kingdom, I hear your steps around me. While love is fading, we faded, you do your best around me, but it's never enough. When stars align, it's love alive, we never try. Stay up at night, we picking sides, just let it die. You sick of crying, both of us end up silent, knowing I need to end it, but never knowing the timing. Have embraced my fall when the faith are gone. Take my thoughts, please erase my files when the sun comes up. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, let me down, let me down slowly. Down, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can't stop myself from falling down. And I can't stop myself from falling down. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
Ask you what you're thinking about. Ask you what you're dreaming about. Say your life is full of doubts. You don't know what you're talking about. You tell me what's on your mind, but how can you be so blind? I am the one who's hurting, but I'm just a burden. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you needed them the most, they're just ghosts. They're just ghosts. I obey all your desires, but you let me burn in the fire. Spend my days trying to impress, fill up your emptiness. I don't know what else to say. I can feel you pull away. You don't understand where I come from, 'cause you're just love. In the chaos, I see the bliss.
Right. Delivered that one. That was nice and easy and quick. I had to wait around a little while. There was a van parked next to me. He was plugging in a fridge box that that was delivered yesterday. Wait for him to move. And lift it straight off the side and away. It's a 2-hour run back. Yeah, 2-hour run back. It's only 20 past 10. A nice early finish today. Oh dear. Right. I'll end the vlog here, I suppose. Not much going to happen. It's just M4, M25, A13 straight in. I know it's a short vlog, this one. Saturdays are always just short days. Just run out, drop a box, run back, done. Usually it's only one drop as well, one box. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.